If you want to open apps in the pop-up view or floating windows on Motorola Edge 60 Fusion, then first of all we need to open an app. There we go. Now we're gonna go to the background apps so that we have this view, and now we need to tap on the app icon that we have in this place. And then over here we have the freeform option. So if you select freeform, you should be able to use this floating windows. You can also drag by the corner in order to resize. You can tap on this icon with two arrows in order to return to the full screen. Besides that, you also have this button below the preview. So if you have this icon, you can tap on it in order to also go to enable the floating windows of this specific app. However, if there is no such icon, or there is no option that is called freeform, then it means that simply the app is not compatible with this view. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!